Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily remove the RSH Smart Tag ITAG03 from your Apple Find My. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up the Find My, then select items right here at the bottom, and select the AirTag. So this is an AirTag alternative. It's much cheaper, it's better. It has the RPC location, basically the RPC locator. It has a one-click search. It also has a loss reminder, and it has an internal battery which lasts, I guess, forever. So now let's scroll down, and right at the bottom we will have an option to remove it. So let's click remove. As you guys can see, remove from Apple account. This item is linked to your Apple account. Removing this item will allow it to be activated and used by another person. So let's click on remove and click on remove. It will start removing the item from the Find My, and our AirTag will make a sound. So now we just have to wait. And as you guys can see, now it's removed, and in a couple of seconds our AirTag should make a sound. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.